guys, today I'm cleaning my living room and dining room areas. I'm doing a little bit of disinfecting as well, so I hope you enjoy this really quick cleaning video. After clearing off the table, I go ahead and start cleaning and disinfecting it with a little bit of solution that I mixed together. And then after that, I'm going to vacuum the rug. This rug does get a lot of love from me. I vacuum this rug almost every day and then spot clean it accordingly. So that's what I'm doing here, is just a little bit of vacuuming, and I try and get underneath the rug as well. The next thing I'm going to do is disinfect the chairs. I love these chairs because they are easy to clean, especially with toddlers. I couldn't imagine having cloth chairs. I struggle enough as it is with our couch. But since this is where we all eat, it's so convenient to have these easy to clean chairs. Now I'm just spraying some Old English on the table to kind of shine up the wood, and then I just put everything back. So next we attack this living room. It is super messy. Now it's not horrible, but it is pretty messy per my standards. I keep my house up and I tend to clean my living room every other day at least. And so it needed a little love from me. Here I am vacuuming under the cushions. This is my vacuum cleaner. I just transformed it into the handheld mode. It wasn't too bad today. So I'm gonna put the cushions back and then I'm going to steam my couch. I love to steam the couch with my steamer because it picks up 99.9% of germs and bacteria and viruses, and so especially during this time I find it so essential to have one of these. This is also my floor steamer. It's just in the handheld mode right now. So here I'm just cleaning out and inside of our chest. I'm wiping it down, wiping the insides. The kids like to climb inside of the middle part there, so I have to wipe it down pretty frequently. And they also mess around with the books, so I had to wipe and disinfect those books as well. Here I'm just wiping and disinfecting my son's chest set. So I kind of like wipe the pieces and the board as well, and I'm just gonna kind of place the pieces on here and he can fix them later. So here I'm just sprinkling some baking soda on the rug. It's nice and gentle. The kids play on this rug, so I like the baking soda because it's very gentle. And what I'm doing here is vacuuming up that baking soda after it's been sitting for, I think I let it sit for about 15-20 minutes that day. So I'm just vacuuming that up and keeping the area clean. As you can see, I took my house slippers off because we try to keep this rug very, very clean. My husband recently cleaned all the rugs in the house as well as the carpets, and so I'm just kind of maintaining it in between. So here's my Pure Steam machine in action. It was fairly inexpensive to purchase this. I purchased it on Amazon. If I can find a link, I'll put it down below. Or even if I can find something similar, I'll put it down below. But I love this. Steaming the floors has changed my life. The steamer is absolutely wonderful for when you have babies that crawl. Oh my goodness. Steaming the floor is like pouring hot water on the floor. It picks up 99.9% of those nasty germs. So I'm all done with the living and dining area. I hope you all enjoyed this clean with me. I did a little bit of disinfecting, a little bit of cleaning. The kitchen is to follow, so stay tuned for that, but that's a whole nother beast in and of itself. So anyways, guys, I will see you in the next one. If you enjoyed this one, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe so you don't miss my next clean with me video, and I'll see you really, really soon.